You say? Why now they like to spoil my name for this social? What did I do now for this social media? What did I do now for this social media? You know what come down and they call me always good nice. It's not like Elube. What did I do now? What did I do now? Which guy wahala this? Even though say you want to attack me for this social media, at least try to call my name very well. Make they hear what you they talk. Which one be Elubo? I be Amala. And this social media all of last day. When I went to all say all the knots, the remaining knots in my head don't lose. I came here and I said it. Hey! You people did not take me serious. But this is a joke at the joke. I don't understand the last knot in my head don't lose. Nobody took me serious. Now don't they complain. Now don't they carry me to go everywhere. They don't say what did they worry me, what did they do me? That this I don't come now. They call me a Lubo. And he said, what is your problem, this boy? Call my name where? So I hear what you they talk. Oh yeah, what do you have to say?
Now then you get mine, you do video for. Like, what an audacity, you get mine, you do video for me. Yeah, you did the same level. Hey! Let me say I'm glad. For this movement, for this talk, yeah, you did the same level. Because which year I don't see, which I don't pass through. You say when they throw gunshot yesterday, I carry back and run. And people say on the laugh for conversation. Like, you people actually, this guy, they talk to me, say, this guy run. And you people actually they believe him, like, when they laugh for conversation. Okay, in the first place, let me just talk what happened yesterday. Because me, I don't date that Ibadan, I don't date that Google before the video call. I date they wait for them. Then I don't notice all those people don't dey around. And after they go cut one of our guys, cut I don't notice. Me, I don't go buy cutlass down, when they sell, I don't buy am down, pay money, say me they keep in case of anything. Then when the chicken later stop, because then they front. Now front of everybody, they me I dey back with my guys who are carry all those tank of the baby I carry for nobody. So they handle and yeah. So when they come, now me dey back, go. Now me be the first face them for back. Hey! They hear me. When first them for back, they say, okay, which happen? One of them two blah blah blah. We say they come. I can't see say they see they come. I'm going to tell those so far. When they tell them for fun, when they shout say they come, they come, make the theater for fun. I can't stop by car for back with one of the guys. Make carry me go to shop where I keep my cutlass. Then I collect the cutlass. Collect the cutlass. Make I go there now. Now that time I get this one. I carry my work. And you go to feel like warrior. Before you go feel like warrior, know what you go do. Now when only you face challenge, you face the fear on your own, now you warrior. I don't want one man protest everywhere. Only me. The boys they march me. I can face challenge tell you I go protest. Also a few times. They hear me. I don't want that for jail. I don't want. They get one man protest. Because you are covered up with the people, with the crowd, you with the crowd. That one don't make you a warrior. You hear me? And anybody who did that protest yesterday, say maybe they won't do anything, you run. Don't let anybody make you feel discouraged. You be hero. You hear me? Don't let anybody want you. Anybody will tell you say, wait till make you know the fear. Now you be the fear person. Not the only same old people when they inside motor they shake. Inside motor, not be saying you face them one. Get man, they follow me talk. The grace.
Yeah, which day when you call me for the ending? The first time you call me always Olube, the second time you call me Olugube, which day you call me? Which day I do that for this social media? Which day I do go punish you? Honestly speaking, it's just so unfortunate. See, now recently, now most of them they come across my video. Most of them don't even know me. Now recently, now they know somebody like me. I don't even know say me my head no correct. Oh, my head no correct like that. The people when they my page, they know that way. Hey! They don't say this boy is a madman. I am just trying to catch clues now that they take serious. See problem. See problem. With everything when they go on for this country, it's so traumatizing. So sometimes they try to just make people laugh. Make they just while away time. Make they just happy. A lot of people are going through BP. They're having BP problem. A lot of people they my page when they say they suffer depression. They have BP. At least my page they make them they relax. They happy. I just come out the cash cruise. Now that just to take me serious. Jesus Christ. Are you serious?
Hey!
So now take this in personal. But very like my come outside that day. If them come outside, they talk that they say, me and they inside moto. After all the when they talk online, as I hear Toto, I pay. I pay.
We are very fair, man. We have Prissy TV. We have Always Bube talking drum. These guys talk. Hey! Talks. God punish this person. Jesus. Then we did for moto. That day where we say we rescue person. Make kidnapper shoot. If you see the way they shake inside moto. Jesus. I see a Toto. Oh, that man, pam.
But guess what? I took advantage of that trend. I know that VDM loved me genuinely. I know ever vex one day because I know in our cruise, VDM was just trying to joke. VDM was just playing with me. Why would I call they take this whole matter serious? Hey! When I call it now bad thing to run from God. Shall show that they ask you now bad thing to run from God. You say you stop bike. You stop bike to go collect your cutlass. Your cutlass now Lagos time day. Which guy wahala be this one? Which guy problem be this one? So when I use a cash cruise, now I take her serious. Me when my head no correct. You couldn't compare me and you. Say who I be for you. What did they bring all those one, guy? What did they bring all those one? Make I can't introduce you, not be enemy. If you be enemy, I will introduce myself to you. If you know say I get level for the latter movement. Hey! Don't let me get department where strong pass. Don't let me get department where they very active. In fact, 80% of the people where they latter movement in my department. Jesus. And I mean they rule am. I just the cash cruise now they take a person. That's the problem. So I know if you go cash cruise again. What they pay you for inside what I talk? So you run away from God. To run away from God na bad thing. Hey! To run away from God na bad thing. This is the problem. We say you go carry a cutlass, you go Lagos, go carry a cutlass. Na bad thing. What did I talk now? Where they wrong? What did I talk now? We no correct. I don't say you stop back. You stop back straight to Lagos. You go come as I talk now. Say you go carry your cutlass today for Lagos. You are saying the same thing. You are saying the same thing. You don't see Koboko. I fire Koboko. Koboko do your video, fire me back. We are catching cruise. Me and Koboko, since when we enter Lagos, me and him did the same hotel. I said, as I do my video finish, Koboko go even laugh. As I do my video, he go do me, I did the laugh. As I finish my own, he go do your own too. Fire for fire. Instead of you to take advantage, they talk, say, guy, wanna leave me, oh. Wanna leave me, my head not too correct like that, oh. Wanna leave me. Allow me catch my cruise. VDM come outside that day they talk. VDM attack me. Even people come they vex say why VDM go they tell me that I even attack those people when they talk against VDM. Those people when they vex say VDM attack me. Why VDM go they talk say that's why I did some motor with a sayer gunshot, that's why I pen. I couldn't attack those people when they talk against VDM. Because me I know say now cruise VDM they catch. Now party to run away from gun. Hey! Now party to run away from gun. I want them for you. Make I come they blame you now say you go Lagos, go carry a cutlass so you buy. Hey, this boy, should I be 14? You say you don't go Lagos, go carry your cutlass before you come back. Brothers don't feel it. Don't punish the one. Let me make this very clear. Take this thing from me. Anybody that came out for the protest, all the protests will do from a Wednesday last week, won't go welcome very that one for airport. Till date, the one will do on Tuesday for your everybody will come outside for this protest. Everybody na hero. Take it from me. For the fact that you left your comfort zone, you left your house, you left your comfort, you come outside for protest for the betterment of Nigeria, you be hero. Forget anything that they talk now, close now the catch. I swear to God. I don't know why, so it's just that some people for this social media just like to take things serious, just like to take things personal. Unless, see, I'm not going to get problem with you if you're just finding out about me recently. Me when my head no correct. Like the night I go to talk something, you go to vex put. If I want to see, sharp shot your, if I want to attack you, if I tell you what is in my mind, if I use bad mouth, if I give you violence, I swear to God, you're not going to even come outside for any protest again. I swear to God, you're not going to even shame will catch you for this social media. If I say I want to finish you, what did they for what attack you, I go attack you. And the catch cruise, they take a personal. Hey! If they take a personal, the catch cruise, they take a personal. Me. Yeah, man, no good. Everywhere. They don't follow me, they do all those ones. So go and ask question. And they follow you, they catch you, they take a personal. You can't spoil my name. Now, what did they even prepare me? Drop your ball. They spoil my name. Everybody that came out for that protest, they are heroes. You know how many hours we trek? Izutech, forget all this laughing that you laugh. Izutech try well. I say when it comes to distributing of bottled water, if you want yourself, that's how they carry weapon. Izutech weapon and bottled water. Izutech try. Izutech just make sure say people drink water. Baba go just go. I even remember vividly the last protest in Oyo. Baba look me. He asked me, say you did test. I say yes. Before you know, bottled water don't come on board. Cold one. Izutech really try. I swear to God. Now that kind of person now go concept my camera, go the attack out of hate or maybe at the first one. No, you just know say na cruise now they catch. Now battle don't run from born. As I told you, Izutech reason me fine daughter. I mean daughter no fine. You reason fine daughter, I make you turn. I call the door say if my life fit turn around like that. They want one I call the verse. See this the problem. Go punish the one. Time when you say suppose use cook small violence. Now this make small violence touch this and don't stay AI girl. Make violence touch us more. Now not gonna let me concentrate. This Donkey's place. I'm going to be your name. Donkey. Maybe when you say they see this your name. Donkey. Good as you say, what you don't be in a dog. Make more dog. When I make I get this girl time. So that I can give us more violence and move on. Because I don't go allow now. I come and say something that they beg me. If I give this girl violence now, when I go see the talk say, leave this girl and a small girl now. Why you want to finish this girl? Now she they win me. So people they come and comment on the talk say she they win me 100-0. She they win me now, but you they still do now. When I come for her now, I go begin talk. Oh yeah, go punish the one.